Forget everything you know about your local ramen spot. We are at the brand new Elevated Gia West Hollywood. And this isn't just dinner.
Perfect.
It's a full culinary takeover. Located at 826 North La Cienega Boulevard, this flagship location is refining Japanese dining in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into A5 Wagyu, live fire grilled seafood, and the most authentic cocktails in West Hollywood. We started with aka, ebi, and Hokkaido scallops. This is a masterclass of freshness. Argentina red shrimp and Hokkaido scallops, sashimi bathed in a bright yuzu ceviche sauce. The pickled shallot and the yuzu peel give it this incredible citrus pop, while the fresh dill and the pink pepper added a layer of sophistication you don't usually find anywhere. It's light, vibrant, and the perfect palate cleanser. Next up, the heavy hitters. First, the A5 Japanese Wagyu Chateaubriand Katsu Sando. This was a massive favorite at our table. Definitely a favorite for Mr. 8. And we're talking A5 Wagyu Chateaubriand house sauce. And wait for it, caviar with a little speck of gold, y'all. Look at that gold up there. All tucked into a pillowy Japanese milk bread. Oh my goodness. It's decadent, rich, and worth every bite. Now, what's interesting is they're really into Wagyu in this Gia West Hollywood location. So look at all of that right there. Anywho, moving on. And by my absolute favorite, the Octopus with scallop and baby squid. This is grilled over live wood and charcoal, giving it a smoky depth that is out of this world. And let me tell you, the octopus was velvety and soft, literally like butter. It's served with crispy Brussels sprouts, peewee potatoes, and duo of yuzu, mezcal, and Japanese pesto. The texture here are spectacular. So yeah, it was octopus for me and A5 Wagyu Katsu Sando for Mr. 8. Anywho, so we can't do West Hollywood without a cocktails, right? So I went for the lychee teeny. It's crisp, sweet, and pairs beautifully with the seafood. And since we're responsible, my designated driver had the matcha lychee lemonade. There's one way for him to enjoy matcha. It's easily like, I don't know, one way to enjoy matcha. I never ever thought of having it as a lemonade, but it's the most refreshing non-alcoholic drink we've ever tried, really. The earthy matcha meets sweet lychee for a perfect balance. And we finished the night with strawberry parfait. It's a layer with lemon jelly, strawberry shortcake, and a mixed berry sauce. It's not too heavy, making it the perfect end of a high-end Japanese feast. Oh my goodness. It's 5 out of 5 or 10 out of 10. It's like 5-star. Okay. That's what I'm trying to say. Anywho, mark your calendars because Gia West Hollywood grand opening is happening in April 17th, 2026. Now, if you're watching this after the grand opening, you know it's time for you to go because it's open already. This is going to be the hottest reservation in town. So if you want to experience this elevated menu for yourself, head over to jinyaweho.com to snag a table. Yep. Which dish are you trying first? Would you try the A5 Wagyu or that buttery octopus? Let me know in the comments below and hit that subscribe button for more foodie adventures. This is Julianne, and I'll see you in the next one. You know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
see you in the next video. See you in the next video.